Hello, welcome to my channel. If you meet the eligibility criteria set by the CRA, you have two options to calculate your deduction for home office expenses: the temporary flat rate method and the detailed method. Last year, I made a video and explained the difference between the two methods. If you're interested, you can find the link in the description. In this video, I'm going to talk about the changes for the 2021 tax year. If you meet the eligibility criteria and choose to use the temporary flat rate method, for the 2021 tax year, you can still claim $2 for each day you worked from home. The maximum number of working days that you can claim increased from 200 days to 250 days, which means that the maximum deduction increased from $400 to $500 for the 2021 tax year. Please keep in mind that in calculating the number of days, you cannot include vacation days, sick days, days off, or any other leave or absence. If you meet the eligibility criteria and choose to use the detailed method, you can still use the simplified form T2200S. If you have a lot of eligible expenses, you have a designated workspace, and you worked from home for an extended period of time, you might be better off using the detailed method. You can use the CRA calculator to determine the amount of deductions you can claim under each method. If you're interested, you can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching.